Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting a Jeep Grand Cherokee chassis with high integrity and at least 200 HP as a base for tuning. This saves parts and credits later. Decide the race type, sprint, circuit, or drift, because sprint favors straight-line power and circuit rewards balanced handling. Allocate your initial credits to engine, turbo, and transmission upgrades first, then to tires, brakes, and aero. Keep a folder of parts and a performance target in HP, and wait to measure progress and avoid overspending. Focus on the engine. Upgrade the block, turbo, intake, camshaft, and ECU until you reach a target of 350 to 420 HP depending on tier. This range balances weight and drivability. Fit improved cooling, fuel system, and ignition to support sustained boost and prevent overheating during long runs. For transmission, choose a short gear set for sprints or a taller gear set for circuits, and tune the final drive in the 3.5 to 4.2 range to match your power band. Adjust clutch and shift times for smooth launches and consistent lap times. Now refine chassis and tires. Lower ride height moderately and raise spring rates while keeping the front slightly stiffer than the rear to reduce body roll. Adjust sway bars and camber to control understeer. Small negative camber improves corner grip, but increases tire wear. Pick tires. Performance for dry streets or semi-slicks for circuits, and set pressure between 28 and 32 psi for consistent contact patch. Tune damping with quicker rebound for stability and softer compression for compliance. Then run test laps and iteratively tweak to meet lap time goal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.